As you probably know, because we don't live under rocks, we all have social media, we all have access to news and blogs and things of that sort. We all know that on Sunday, July 13th, 2025, we lost the former president of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, in London. But I think what's really shocking has been the wide range of reactions regarding to the passing of this former president, Muhammadu Buhari. Some people, of course, are mourning. Some people are very sad. Some people, praised him for his role as a general, for the role he played in the military, while others are a bit happy, celebratory about his passing, saying that during his tenure he didn't do well for Nigerians, that he's the reason for, or he was the reason for the current situation Nigeria has found itself in. So many different conversations, so many different feelings about this current news. There's also the rehashing of some rumors about this being a clone. That one I don't know. That one I really don't know. But what I do know is that it really brings an important discussion about legacy. How fleeting life is, and also how this life is vanity. At the end of the day, how this life is quite literally vanity.